Hello,
This one of the mackerel they want. And pound around $300. Much money there.
What's up, all crazy? One step above, step up. Morning. Step up, I'm not adding him. I don't want to be a friend today. Another day. Come back another day. I don't want to play today, step up.
That is a bad boy,
Who step up? Who? Little boy?
Yes, I'm Mr. Shallow Fire, that is a bad boy.
No, them just come live off and them come them a car back and give me a bag of trouble and I tell them say, me in a them style. Tell them.
Oh, them guys that just get really fucking...
Marvet, you're viral all over the internet.
Yeah, not beer shit.
Marvet, you're viral all over the internet with Amari. See? Yeah.
Some more chocolate pussy. Charles chocolate.
So, I'm not just tell us, I'm not at the happen.
So I add my for them. You know some comment a while ago and tag you.
So what you say in that comment?
On the stage show, man.
Morning.
Me a comment
Man,
upon do.
sorry, I didn't say morning. I had the bag of shit them, man. Look how much my blind.
You comment on done one?
No, me I say upon do with page still you see me.
Oh.
And tag you and say Queenie a joke out. That's the performance, man. Me I say Queenie a joke out the thing so that like say I say you make she
Everything in
go
a
on.
performance means all purpose. So I can DJ, I can drama too. I'm multi-talented. Anything the Queen say goes. Anything if me did go like a ball, that's still me.
Yo, watching a wine up on the dog and a laugh. So me I say, yo, so the dog so she go like say make she go on a real life fuck.
No, man. That's why I never go add the other stepper. Because I know you come over here, come trouble me. Trouble event, man.
No trouble about it, but you can comment and see make you go live, you know?
No. Oh, you write something and do his post.
You never say step all over Queenie there. Event, what go on? Now come there, eyebrow.
How much you do it?
Free, man, free. You know?
Alright. Which part me for come? Where me for come?
Elsha, just look for that house there. Elsha Park.
But we just left up there.
Go lie, man, go ahead. Lie, you
Are
see?
you speaking to the Queen like that, Stepper? That's so rude. How dare
But
you?
then,
Tell me to my face that I'm lying about something which is a fact. That,
I'm gonna tell you what your father
you're
said.
accusing me being a liar then, Stepper.
Tell her when your father side of flick me charge, you say that like me.
Because I'm not interested, because I'm just so you love me up, but you abuse me. It's so rude.
You know, tell them say me a bad charge, man.
Me not have to tell them, it's my right crazy. They have my what's the word? Them have my royalty in them hands, so them protect me. So me not have to tell them know. That is rude though, Stepper. Don't tell me that I'm a liar, because I'm not lying.
Never know,
Amari. When I say Amari, no, Amari lying for. She like confused, bless her. When I tell Amari, say me I look for her.
Yo, big up to you.
Listen, Amari. I don't give a fuck. You're confused, Bumba, but listen to me. I love you, and I may mix thing. You're a winner likewise me. You might not come first, but you come second. You still win that, no matter what. If you never come and create that the excitement there, it would go viral. You understand me? So Without
True.
you, Amari, there would be any fucking clash. It doesn't matter how it work out. It work out. You come entertain the
Saying
crowd. You understand me? I'm in a business if you want to fight me. I'm not fight you down, Amari. I love you. I just don't want to be your fucking friend because you're rude. You understand me? You don't understand yourself. And I lie. I look poverty. Remember, I do an interview before. I said, I not go up like I done, Amari. I changed my mind. And I stick to my word. I'm a person to my word. My word is my bond. You understand me?
true.
And
Alright, you did.
and everybody seek attention in them own way. Who am I to judge Amar for say Ray? She spiced up the thing. A while ago, man, look, man. She have my bandu and she sit down so. And then put her music and I say, oh God, I forgot to show Amar some love. So Amar, big up yourself. You're not gonna get me any blood clotting you want to say about me. I don't give a fuck. If you want to take my pussy tongue and put it on the train line and make a train run on it, in your mind, you do it now. I'm physical. So I don't fucking care. I just want to tell you that I love you, Amari. And may you fuck up Sting, girl. You hear that? He's not a loser. And take my foolish advice. Go and put some lyrics and some rhythm. You have you. You might not see your money today, Amari, but you will see it, baby. You saw me there at
Queen.
test one, and then you are going to practice. Practice becomes perfect, Amari.
Look, I'll give you next highlight again. No? Give her a collab.
Yeah,
See me?
Amari, my do a song and shame them dirty blood clots. You hear that? Come
People,
here,
man.
Amari. Remember I said my excitedness turn on, you know.
Yeah,
You
man,
do
I
a song
come
and you
to
say, Queenie, when you get excited, it turn me on. Dirty bungle dark shit. Leave me and Queenie alone. And me and her texting, but really, I mean not texting for truth, really.
Oh,
Girl,
God.
dangerous and bad. I like her. You understand me? I'm here one man
Yeah,
talk a while ago, step I said. Leng and every day should invite you because we not have no song. Let me tell you, man. A while ago, me there over Esha, my arms stink like over Riverton. I saw you smell. Yeah, come chat shit. Me have 13 songs were released. So the fuck you mean by me not have no song? What,
you don't know the
did
talent.
you do a research on the fucking queen? Leng, a long blood clot time, I fed up on Wally Pass something, I fed up on Sunfest, I fed up on the
Them no.
festival, I fed up on the kind of move on the dirty blood clot, and I can't stop this. You hear that? Me not ask none of the
Them,
bumbo world. There are Wally Pass people in our world. And all of the dirty cheesy blood clot balls, man, them were Jamaica, we feel like we can't stifle my bumbo world and I can't. Because
yeah,
you're
but
I
I trying
step out 1 minute, me done. Me not mean for cut your baby, me no want, me just want
yeah,
leg
man.
on my blood clot tongue. Listen, there are
Right.
many people of high society from all angles and walks of life who respect Queenie for who she be herself. I see my talent being this age, on a can blood clot backly. On a dirty man at Jamaica, on a bad-minded no blood clot, on a fight against woman. I don't feel like the woman for strong, but we're stronger than blood clot and the cast and think with a cocky. And we think with our head. The first blood clot thing when you say a woman, the first thing you say, oh, we can't fuck her, we can't take her from doing it. Man, doing a deserve her. She and this, she yamed. When I think with a blood clot, cocky, we think with our head. Every bomber will dirty blood clots thinking cocky man like my arm. Need a strong woman in them life. Hear me now. You say me, Janice, Fenesta, Espute, Scarlett. Do it right? But they have to talk the blood clot thing to the woman them. Because on the undermine with dirty blood clot, dirty Jamaican man. When I start from a long blood clot time, so when I not come strong at chat, here what the advantage when I have over on a nasty dirty blood clot. I live a big foreign. I'm a claims.
Yeah.
I say because my claims blood clot. I come a brick jam ears ago, brick jam face, big up yourself. I'm coming with my British flag, it name brick jam. And them we promote it, never have a blood clot British flag on them. And I mind me insult me nasty blood clot and a big jam. Love the way, DJ Face, big up yourself all the way. And the honor mind me dirty blood clot, but because me have self-love, I'm a bad. And believing in me, that's why I reach out for. And no, bring me a sting. You know what reach thing? Because me have potential. Me have quality. Me have talent. Me determined. Crazy never bumper pussy blood clot lazy. Me full of energy. Remember telling the dirty blood clot this at Jamaica. None of you can fuck the wife. When me say one man to my goodie, anyone a blood clot and smell my crutches down at this blood clot. Millions upon my blood clot. It can none of you can't feel me up. Can't come around a corner, me draw scratches and go now quickly and tell me something. My song I gonna reach blood clot something. Cause me is this. You see the way I believe in myself, I love myself. Me alone to sing my blood clot song and come here and say, wow, Grammy me go for. You see the dirty man them at Jamaica. On a undermine girl pit now on a fat stepper. Hang up, come here go. This some blood clot man. Hang up. Stepper, hang up, madam. Yes, big up yourself, Stepper. You saw the dirty blood clot man at Jamaica. No fun when a certain authority on a bad mind woman, on a fight woman, on a underestimate blood clot woman. On a sing Wally per sock cocky song and some disrespectful song. I said, do it. God know why you get so married to me. You send me here on some blood clot song, even though a controversy. And you're on a disrespect woman and we woman really sing it. It's a different blood clot umbrella. Look for me. Certain songs me not sing. Certain words me not blood clot spread. You hear that? Move on the dirty nasty blood clot a woman around the world. I will bring life. And we are the who of them. Wanna baking on a disrespect me full of blood clot and fight. Me say no fun to fight me down at this. But guess what the advantage with me? Me live a big foreign. My queen. My bad no mama bomber pussy blood clot. I'm bold, I'm beautiful, I'm bright. I said because I have confidence, none of blood clot. You know, ask my husband, I'm tell him this man. I said, do it. God know why you give me that wife. I can't. No blood clot, boy, I can't even pinch my blood clot ear from my pussy clot front. Because I saw my son a disrespect blood clot, man. I prefer stay with the dirty blood clot than I'm tight to. More than gonna chance. And it's tight for girl picking in the business are in many things. I'm a watch. Now this man I go give him speech and say I'm to forget her pay. And you don't go on good. Then all of a sudden now you chat shit. What the fuck you mean by? But come down here, come to music video, I'm watching music video when I'm down here with my husband 8 months when me the trap down here. And me and do sit down and write I'm watching blood clot song and never on a blood clot and I mind me and rub me down at this blood clot. You hear that? But me pay for learn. And me have the blood clot money for my talent. What Father God give me. And me and my husband and me said do it. A whole heap of politics are mixed up in the music. But me I come here for learn. Now I reach to a state of 11 now. Where on the see me as a strong blood clot, all women as on all set. Because I can't fuck me. And I like none of blood clot and I can't fuck me, I can't mind me, I can't do me nothing. I'm not frightened over nothing. You couldn't have yet. You more get house. Nothing one the blood clot have. Can't tickle my fancies. Listen. Now me as a strong woman will reign and represent for Jamaica / UK over the world for girl picking for a niece, on a cousin, on a daughter, on a grandmother. You know how much on a blood clot family love me naturally because I'm an energy because I tie them down, I undermine them, I make them feel like the truth them a woman them not a certain word. Well, I'm the difference. I know the word of we as woman. I'm a stand up for blood clot, man. You know what I do? And I'm big thinking blood clot, man. When I up there, I see the man and look at me. And I say, look how this man big ass thing. God forgive him. I mean to say it. For no harm. Look how presentable I look at a 53-year-old woman. Rap for the girl, man. Me a queen, me a wife. Got to sum up and turn up with my blood clot husband for sure. And I say, girl, when I'm a blood clot murder, I make vows and I stand for the words. Don't make because of society and shame. When I dump on a blood clot husband, me make a difference in many ways. As an old woman to a young boy, they don't want me for shame some of my to young boy and them don't want me. But no, there's a difference. Instead of making 10 man, every time I upset me, say I go fuck 10 blood clot man, like Darren say. Not even one now gets to fuck blood clot me. You know why? I make a vow to God and man, for better or for worse. So when the worst come, I'm sure me take the blood clot leaf and I cover, I still come back strong. If I ads, me do it. If I cuss, me cuss. If I bawl, me bawl. If I forgot look for my daughter, I'm gonna look for my daughter. If I'm a grandbaby, I'm a grandbaby. If I for promote, me promote. If I for come and sting, me come and sting and I come kiss out the darkest blood clot part of my dirty blood clot. Man, them none only can stop my talent to them. You hear that? On a bad man, the dirty blood clot. I'm me telling the son enough to cover with shame. And a blood clot thing make me. I'm a personality. I'm me Queenie. Make the whole world love me. So if you keep on dancing, so I get me in the side of the world, I go support me no matter thing. You hear that? On a none of blood clot to the this can't do me no bad mind. It's not every time somebody I go at. Remember that. Spice of our time. Sensei of our time. Jada Kingdom of our time. Dovey Magnum, every blood clot body of them time when I come kiss up my stinking arm. On a dirty nasty blood clot man in Jamaica fight, man. I can't fight blood clot, me I win. And me I queen. Anything on the do me down at this blood clot and I have to speak to you okay for me. You hear that to the can't do me nothing down at this to the bad minded shit house. Anywhere my spirits I forgot. I'm gonna go. I mean, I got power. You hear that? You see me get up tomorrow morning and stay up and keep on more and go. They go lift up my left blood clot foot and say my pussy clean off out to the go. Dirty blood clot Jamaica man. We want to hold on woman and a corrupted no dirty blood clot. Guess why? We'll grind our mentality at Jamaica. Man was made to suffer, woman was made to feel the pain. So I feel like such a feel pain and I said, this with dirty blood clot. And I got on a throw money power and I buy a car. That's the one that I have money too. I want to use that on the blackmail with blood clot, man. I'm glad we go fight, go shoplift for the teach me for me. Bumper clot independent. Dirty Jamaica man. None of blood clot to the dog of this can't fight me. I'm not afraid of none of dirty blood clot. I can't call it a name. And remember, me a queen and a drunker. Queen, calm down. Shut up. And if remember, I say me a queen. Likewise, I tell my husband, I say, do it. You can't hide. I say, any girl you fuck, all when you and them make 100 blood clot. Let's say the cocky reach them dirty blood clot, them I go whisper, tell somebody. And somebody I go whisper back. Can you keep a blood clot secret? I never found a chat me down at this blood clot, but remember, no matter on the chat, man, I can't say my what this. And I can't say my blood clot careless. I might be vulgar, loud, and awful, but I have blood clot dignity. You think that only can't touch me, titty dipper? Me ask for that blood clot question, dirty blood clot, Jamaica man. None of blood clot, Uno. None of nasty blood clot. You don't get discriminate, none of class. I've got work. I've got songs. Good lyrics. Fuck the blood clot bar. No move on the dirty, bad-minded blood clot. None of the can't fuck me. Fuck me now, blood clot, but me don't have this. Bad-minded shit house. I think I sting bring me. I go and place up the sound. I see the big bad British blood clot queen and them give me the mic and them take it from him. I'ma hold it. You know much things on the blood clot do me don't have this. I undermine that. You know why? I have my true royal crazy them. I love me and scream and turn. He that for me dirty nasty blood clot for me myself. You hear that? And allow me nothing happen. I just a curse. And I talk my mind. Nothing a blood clot happen. But that's a little dirty blood clot, bad-minded man. When I busy though, blood clot long. A long time in I busy, I just get my breakthrough now. You understand me? Me a sponge. Me's a hustler. Me's a go-getter. You hear that? And no bumbo world can't use me. You hear me? Yeah, man, you know, go ahead. And you know, say I done blood clots thing and win. How much time I got tell you now? It can't take back. And I still not get the blood clot message. Free blood clot style. Nothing when me do this I never plan. You hear that? All I want to sit down and plan and put up. I want to still so no win. And still I tell me I have no talent. What the fuck do you mean I haven't got any fucking talent? Hmm? Where I talk about? Where reach my thing? My potential what I have. My turbulence. The reign of my reign of the fucking queen. Dirty blood clot arm. Me say your cocky smell like my dirty thinking blood clot arm. Hey man, you know yourself. Any blood clot time gonna press me to add my blood. Me calling a dirty blood clot name. But guess what? There's levels and there's time and place. Me go hear more things than you say. You hear that? Low blood clot. Me none of uno. None all when my husband want me 100 blood clot time. None of them can get fever blood clot. And I can get a hug from me in a picture. And the moment you don't even hug me and brace on a cocky palm, I get blood clot crazy. You hear that? One man to my goodie. And that is fucking the way. None of the producer, promoter, none of blood clot and I can't trick more than the money. Anything in the app, see as I call my husband name and pull up any blood clot thing in the app, I might one. Because I'm the queen. You hear that? Me run the blood clot world. Me not just queen, me worldwide queen. Every household name you're going now. If I know the cousin, all the blood clot dog have up on WhatsApp. Wow. Me do something? God no. Whoa, all right, me go hang up. Eh?
Yeah, but if yourself in a
camera. You have bought yourself camera there, me never know.
Yeah, grow mustache and them gray.
Of course, all about
Bomber clot, that's a do it.
Yo, far more than a dash away, far.
Oh, she. If
Yeah, man, dash away.
no carry that country.
Yeah, dash
There, man.
God bless or something like that.
Your favorite?
No,
By end the live and call her.
Yeah, I'm out to my link.
You know me there I get carried away. Is it? I mean ask you know. Yeah. Yeah, man, come here, tell him about the little reason why you did give me. Some I said first supposed to proud you know and I said bomber class. Yeah, man.
Look for myself. I look for my front. You can't look for my
Stop
back.
look front long time, my love. You used to look back front when me young. Aside me, I look for you now.
Now, lick my damn.
All right, say nothing. I'm gonna do that. Welcome to Jamaica, Pangy. Pangy not here, man. Anyway, right, crazy. I get busy, I go make do some busy. I get back tuning back to you like later, yeah? I'm not tuning. By now, Queenie hard work, bare talent me I put out. I go show all on a little bumble man where I chat me rude right now and I have my voice. Fucking rude and I get up and underestimate people before I give people. Give what due to Caesar, what due to Caesar. Yeah, me's a great fucking woman, me's a celebrity, me's a mother, me's a star, me's a grandmother. I bring too much to the fucking table, I sit down there and chat me. Go man! You think me not here and I know what I'm up to? Anyway, bye. Love on it too. Sting and win. I have one ear to just put out music, and that's my aim and my ambition. You hear that? Bless up on yourself. Later. You better. Where bread van there?
Let's do everything right there, man. Let's do what I want to.
You can't fuck for this.
If him can do it.
Fuck for this.
Let's do the program here.
Sting and wave, know what I mean? Sting and wave. I like that. Pangy, welcome to Jamaica. Pangy, they are Jamaica living life. Cowboy red and pretty. And I know Pangy a hot boy. Ah! Hey, you me owe me, you know. You me owe me. Can you drop me around, please? Alright, wait. Remember we're going to do it from 11 o'clock to sleep. Alright, when you come. May I wait for you to make the call then, yeah? It is emergency, but me did not wait for now. Make sure. Do we go and hurry up and come? Love you. Yes, I'm stay there. Alright, when I bye. Later, I forgot to go on now. Bye. Later. I talk to Browning and then I go. Browning, what happened?
Yeah, man.
What happened? Yo.
Yo.
Where you calling from? You work with the bread
Japan.
banter? Hey, that's nice, see? Your space is nice. I think I buy you that buy bread.
So the two of them in the mass of court to me.
What are we doing at the event?
So wait, I run this. Which one of the factory there? Let me do it show me where. I gotta come on there. Oh, I was at Buzzers yesterday. Oh, all right, it's right there. My pastor. I'm a lady with our space teacher and her husband. Well, hey man, what happened? Hey,
Man.
big up Zion down at Westmoreland. Westmoreland was crazy the other night, you know. Rich
Japan.
people lifestyle. Nice. It was a lovely event. Hey man, what man? Oh. No English, no English. No
Jewish.
English.
Jewish.
What country?
Japan. Jewish. Jewish. Japan.
No. Bye. Later. Bye. Alright, my friend. Yeah, bye.
You know, see, make sure you carry your wife for watch her. Every time she come in and say, yeah, watch. Me not have cocky and I'm here for watch. Maybe me look like me have cocky, but I'm not having it. Yeah.
Bless up. It's one of our space seats. You know, so that made them deaf the truth. Like when the two of them say,
That's your space wide and just me like your space is wider than my space. But that could make a nice space, you know.
so them get spacious.
But them just get spacey.
Yeah, I have fans everywhere for truth, all over. Hey, crazy all the people that going to me at Jamaica, you know. Real natural fan. The people that me saw a little girl bad and my ugly little girl, she's a tremble, so hear me with my short of, hear me sorry, sharp starstruck. Yeah, man, the people them shake when them see me, man. Even them I say hi to you. Nicky Crumbs on.
Hi. Royal
Crazy.
Never lazy.
You know, the way I go make my mother talk, man.
BJ and the food on there.
She wait for me, eh?
She not cook.
Remember Sunday, Monday, today I went. Sunday, Tuesday, wait. Oh,
No, sir.
she not no more. Sunday, Monday done.
I Tuesday, Wednesday, I look both now.
Yeah, my very love for truth. That truth, man. That crazy love me get, man. Me say sometimes I want to cry for some people that love me, you know. I mean, I say, look, I want girls to me see I'm afraid to talk to you. I say, baby girl, me don't bite. I'm going to cuss when them trouble. I'm nice. I'm going to hug her up. My fans are like, step low, me not step on. Step on me like a hairstyle. But step on, you know, say you're not good. Oh, me there at Jamaica, I know you know reach a event place. Don't mind you. Event my hungry call, man. So must have lunch. Yes, you're a celebrity. I am. And you, let me tell you what I don't like. It's not everybody gonna like you. I understand that. But give a due to Caesar, for due to Caesar, no fucking jackass. Can't see me there I represent for Jamaica. So they, every blood clot month, I go viral for some fuckery. And I like naturally, me not buy no viral, me not stage nothing, me not plan one mama bomber clot all the time. But that's stunt. Me not do stunt. You understand? My own blood clot stunt is my own stunt. Me not have to plan nothing. When I take the camera, I just be myself and anything I want to come out of my mouth, just come out of my mouth. That's just the difference. If somebody say, Queenie just said that. So it make people love me because I be myself. Because a lot of people want to say what I am saying. Raw, pussy. Everybody share my pussy and pussy are the one thing we bring life. A society do with them things there. Me hear the man them sitting and chat with them grandmother and them auntie a chat some something about me. And I say, Bumble Clot. So that's when I really sit down and say before I sit down and say, boy, Queenie go on good, you know. You're no bad mind. I'm in a business long time, my dad. I mean, no, say, no, who me talk right now, you know. Because what's my say, granny. These elders, they're very discriminating in Jamaica. We can't speak for Jamaica because I'm born there, so I can't do them because I'm a dirty Jamaican like them. The elders yeah, in Jamaica, them have certain principles in them. Oh, I'm playing it through the radio. Back in the days, if you call somebody bitch and them fight, if you say girl and them fight, if you like you say, go on over your mama yard. Mama is a offensive word. No, mama, it means title. No, every girl wanna be a bitch. You understand me? So the world changed drastically. And things change. Words that we used to use saying suck your mother. When suck your mother come out, everybody dead about it. No, now it's a slang. It's in a music, even though some people take it to art here, but it's a fucking slang. But my point is, no me walla in the mud and run up and down here, there's chapel, lifting security, spit for me, daughter dead, husband married, sort and see me come and get like a glory. Oh, no, don't you have bad mind, man. I want to think, sir. I me one thing, me not one thing. It's my personality make me reach thing why them nominate me. Them send Amari for me. So whosoever do that sick rhyme, no fear. All of them big up themselves. Big up enough for sick rhyme. When I make the thing. That's what I talk about. It's active. It's not boring. So however, I could look at it many ways and offensive to say, Amari abused me. Amari attacked me. She what in this word, she assaults me. I live a big fire in England. All I do is little words. You just write. That's why white people get away with so much things. Because me, they are chat. White people just write and send it to them lawyer whosoever and say, listen. She assault me. I feel intimidated and it traumatized me. I have one only per word for put behind it. My heart not stay so. Me just say, hey, Queenie, I only could pick, so take that. You understand me? A clash. So when me hear now undermine about go past thing and I have no song. Of course my song. Don't be fucking rude. Me have the biggest blood clot girl song for 2022. You damn drunk thinking man was like my dirty arm when I wash out earlier on. You understand? It's rude. Give her due to Caesar. Amara could have got a clash with herself. And me could have got a clash. So the two will complement each other. So, me not going to help on abuse Amari either. It's true. What is it, Yvette?
Them come at married. They must say my shop always stuck.
You understand what I mean? The two of us could have come first. So she made the thing as much as me. But the thing is, it's been my journey. I made it because blood clots thing. And remember, I said, I don't want to go no dirty blood clots thing. I'm hard to leave me alone. I'm never interested. But God piloted for me reach that way. I don't know how to do it. So I'm not taking a blood clot credit. And then underestimate me. I want to undermine me. I got to talk about Queen and the artist. I am a fucking artist. My first blood clot, it's sang Drunker. What me step on it? There's the first everything where Queen is turned artist. And at the end of the song, me say, more tune, enough tune, left for come, outer road, with the Queen. Lord God, them ready for me. May I come now? Yes, baby. What happened, son? Me don't run a event, but may I wait for and do it for come pick me. I'm coming. Me ready, you know, may I come just as I am. Okay. You ready? Mom ready? DJ ready? It no matter which way I go, that son. I'm coming, baby. Yeah? Yeah, just give me 5-10 minutes and I'm there. All right, then. I don't know much something me want to do right now, yeah. But back to the reason then, man. I don't give a due to Caesar. I don't want to know like me. But when people represent from a dirty blood clot country, I stand firm. And if you know, say, that's a great fucking person. That's me. That's why I'm glad I love me praise myself. The word self-praise is no recommendation. I'm going to Jamaican thing that I fuck that. You hear that? You have to represent yourself and recommend yourself and send it out into the universe and work hard to it. And that's what I've done. Many times you'll have tried to shut me down and say, Queenie, you should have shame your grandchildren. I'm going to shame my year. Yeah, why say you did this? And your mama said this on you. And I never paid no blood clot, man. My class and I get out with it same way. Remember one night my dad came party. I'm up on the mic every time I see the girl in front of me, I sing. I'm a daughter, I ball and I sing same way. And I can't chat to me, no go! I'm glad be terrible, you see. You understand me? So really, if I fuck, when I see me come to Jamaica now, work so I'd left my family them. I never planned for that Jamaica, you know. I plan for them go with my grandparents them and my kids them enough to make up for Russia, you know. You know, it break my heart for left, come halfway around the world, left my husband and I pity them. I'm just say, eat Queenie all purpose, some mother there, so we drop off a drop off shoulder, blah, 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 I can't lose. You understand me? I come represent, I make England proud. I put on my England color. My dad Jamaica, so I don't need to put on them flag. I come in my England color, big up Nash clothing, big up Luxury, will give me the frontal, better will give me the hairstyle, Only will do the face, you know. Everybody chip in and make sure so the Queen nice and beautiful. Me's always a winner. I couldn't have compete with Amari and said, no, I think me above her. I mean, I think me above her. We're two different persons, two different categories. None of we not above her nobody. Me not look down for Amari, you know. You understand me? Me not look down upon people. If you fuck with me, my class, the dirty blood clot till morning light and move on. But me's not a person who look down upon people. Me see she look down upon me and talk about something about me. And I said, don't mind you, America. You know me a hot girl. Me stop girl, never a flop girl. I am more trending and relevant more than Amar in many ways. You understand me? Amar, you come and cuss people. Me do every little thing, Amar. Me interact in every little ways. You understand me? So there's no comparison. Remember, me had purpose. You have your own world. Me never work for a radio station. You work for a radio station. Me can't take that from you. Them beg, or the two beg. You understand me? I want to just study psychology and them something. Me can't do them breads from them. Me too speedy. You understand me? Man, put yourself to use, baby girl. Stop blame people and blame the world. Just get on with it. Remember, with every great leader, we have to have a story in a baby. Learn that, Amari. A story is supposed to make you stronger. Not to use me as a weapon, because we see, I'm not going to say you go wrong. But you make a deal with the devil for come defeat me. So this is your reaction and your payback where you get, Amari. You understand what I mean? Because reader for fucking the way how you did that go on and I do much things towards me, Amari. That's so weird. He was suppose me was somebody who a weak heart, woman, really. I don't know some weak heart it was a front me I put up. I know that defeat me. But because I have so much confidence, I see so much on a turn against me, I said the blood clot this. All of them say I go study, I not study nothing. The night before me I study two little fucker. I say, Yvette, you see double tap, I'm a biggest blood clot tune. And I can sing it 100 different ways. Because I don't know where I am on the stage. Me here and Marielle, I make one little reason say. Me and her nice, I'm sure I love behind the scene. I never link up with you yet. When the star send the interview you first, and the star interview me, the star said they interview Amari already, and Amari said she hasn't got anything against me. I said to tell Amari about the same thing. Coming up against her. So me I say, Queenie, sure I love and on the internet is a different thing. Amari, you're confusing so many different ways that you chat so much shit, but I still don't want me to do a song and shame them. You understand me? Because he's what the word? No. When you have somebody compete, what you call it? There's a word. And a co-worker. Me alone couldn't go there go clash by myself. What's the word? So yeah, I'm a Cody. But I'm a Cody, but I'm sick of a Cody. Yeah, I'm a competitive. Thank you. Competitive. More class. Thank you. Yes, I'm married. You're a very intelligent woman and very smart. Because I listen to you. But you confuse a lot along the way. Difference with now, yeah. Put away the confusion. You see them words the way you have and them studying the way you have Amari. My comfort, whatever it fucking name, yeah. Without the two we up there, so when them all of them laugh after you, them laugh after me. At the same difference, the two we carry each other. So you getting down here so now and you're gonna get angry and say certain things. Nah, help Amari for that. Me not carrying a 2023 with me, and a negative thing in a girl. But it don't let it go from 2022. If you notice my interview I do before Sting, I said I am not clashing with Amari. Me nah go up there for disrespect her. That was the word. I don't think it's appropriate for two women, but I'm glad for the opportunity for both of us. Because it's an opportunity for both of us. We have 1 year for extend our vocal with talent. So Amari, my words, I don't business if you want to get up and cuss me, because me not do that with you, darling dear. Amari, let me tell you something the difference with me. You say me done. Blessed love. You say me hear and I talk my daughter and I chat about my dead daughter, that burn me and hurt me, I say something, but you say me hear you done your daughter. I say, okay. So you should do fair one penis, and it's not you should do my one. So from that, Amari, even that by itself, me even love you more and say she's who she is. Me not gonna get up every day and compete and prove back and front. Me not have no time for that, Amari. It's 4 songs already me do since the year started. I would like you come to 4 with me as well. It's like come here the dirty man that chat me, Amari. Done me and dirty blood clot like we are 2 rubbish truck. No, we're not 2 rubbish truck, we have life. The greatest thing is life. And it's very rude and discriminated for man to strong woman who work there out there work so hard. Cause me strong enough. Me can't speak for myself, me strong enough. Me just there and wall and ball and take the grief and cover my face and say me shame enough. And you call me and say, Queenie, come perform. I'ma put that aside and perform, you know. You see, you cannot take that from me. But am I where you go wrong now? When I say you go wrong, cause what am I to dictate to you? But where I am concerned, me need no competition and no challenge with you, baby. If you have sense, you come on the rhythm when I do. And you do your own song. You carry your own song and me carry my own song. One cocoa full basket. Meet brother each other if God spare your life in Sting 2023. And then you get your chance to sing, because you know you can't come back with that fuck with it, not even for the least. Yeah, all is not lost, my friend. You understand me? Me hear you say, you're contradicting, you know, Amari. Here, you know. Maybe at Jamaica and take peer performance. And I should have make things memories. Me not hosting nothing. Me telling you something all the while. So me not take blood clots so bombos loves, baby. And that's why you're haunted now. It's a karma. Because them could have put me on a no so bombos law and set me up against nobody. I wouldn't accept. So because you accept, when you accept, you just talk. Word of mouth can't carry a quote, Amari. You understand me? So when you accept, say, yes, me go kill Queenie, me go done Queenie, me go tell her about doing all the way you did plan, Amari. Me not plan your baby, it backfire. So cut out the ignorance and know say me you go up, they go backle it out. You entertain the crowd. Take credibility for yourself. Be your own winner. Like how you say you want to come take my crowd. Stupid thinking. Come and prove who you are. Not to take my crown. No one cannot take my crown, Amari. You understand me? Queenie and Queenie. So this is it. It's not to run just with me and want to take with me. It's to show your fans. Work for your fans and let them know your worth. This is my talent. This is what I can do. This is what I can say. So when me say, you look at me when I get up and say crazy every day. Look at me and ask you, are you crazy? Amari, you know why? You know why, baby girl, I hold my composure, I'm telling her. When you hear me talk calm and nice, you know where I come behind it. Awful. So when you hear me say you're crazy, I calm myself and I hold my composure and I'm a question back sheet to hear what she said. But put that aside now, Amari. Sting done gone from the 26th. Me not owe Sting nothing and them not owe blood clot me because me not signed to nobody. Put fuck it, nobody not signed own me. Me am own independent somebody. So all of the year me I make must have said Seleng or sign me and Leng am a manager. Yeah. My anata doctor nobody can ras clot take me and buy me out and turn me in a blood clot menke. Like how you make 100 man take you and trick in a year. Yes, do this to Queenie, do this to Queenie. You say me here, Amari say, she go watch Lady Seh. When she say, shut the fuck up. Lady Seh, something she watch it up. I mean, say, oh God, she's so confused. She get confused. So, I work out everything. I mean, I say, you know, somebody, I don't like me as them say nothing, I shoot them. I say, I don't want you. I don't want nobody to confuse me. Because I'm not going to go up there. Nobody know where I got on the stage. Amari not have that about her because she feel she go get millions. Common sense, Amari. Me hear the man say this man. Hear the fuck what the man said this man, you know. £1 million is 9,000 US dollar. I know artist not take 9,000 US dollar. What the fuck you mean by no artist not take 9,000 US dollar? Shut the fuck up. Everybody price different, everybody's situation different, and it depends on the level they're on. Me wrong or am I right? It depends on your level. So sometimes when you not talk because of internet, when you talk because people really are listening to you, but does you not make fucking sense? 9,000 US dollar is better than to sit down and not get one shit. And then you have a next thing. Certain show pay money, certain show does not. Certain thing you go up and you just promote yourself and you say you endorse yourself and you extend your practice becomes perfect. So when you sit down and curb people's mind And I go send, you're in a 900 million, 900 US is not money. Oh, you mean it's not money? Pay Amari then, madam. You hear my name? What me say my name? Real, flexible, versatile, eh? Oh, you was talking so good. I said, we forget what money Amari, forget what money I really blah. But then they start chat shit. Same Queenie Amari and the artist, you rude. You fucking rude, dirty man. Me have the biggest blood clot song from 2022. You mean me an artist? My mind ain't your caliber as you want me to, but I am a fucking artist. I'm not a bad-minded man. I focus, I always focus. I always blood clot focus. If I not cuss and let it out, I not go focus. And I that, as a focus come. Yeah, I'm not confused the poor little woman. Because you see, Amari is very intelligent, you know, but there is something where right there we shouldn't let go of. I don't know, I'm not try to work it out. I mean, I want them beat me either, but through me bad no blood clot, me just talk. There is something, Amari is very smart and clever. She's an idiot. She know if it's swallow all her blood clot spit, but guess what happened? I think, I don't even want to say it and she take it offensive, but she don't know like me, who give a fuck. I think Amari easily influenced. She don't know how, like, let me tell you, I'm going to a perfect example. Because you will say something to me, I'm not agree to it, and I say, yeah, man. Because I don't want to attack you upon it, you know. So you come back and you say it again, and I might not pay no mind. It's the third blood clot time. I say, listen, me not do that, you know. Me not depend that, you know. My spirit not going to take this. So Amari don't have that. She like the drama. She like make people feel bad for nothing. So she say, yeah, man. I can't fuck up our bomber clot. But Amari, do the right thing, baby girl. If I content you look after me, you can't get up every day and chat me. That I will get steal out, my friend. Music is life, my man and baby girl. Music is life. My mother's supposed to thump me when me girl. You know when found me and my mother have date? Mm-hmm.
Well, tomorrow, say, you talk to your partner. You really want to get upset.
Yeah, them style for woman, may I tell you? Enough man fuck woman and no respect woman, you know. Yeah, enough man just fuck woman, but them not like woman. And through them know so we're smart. You know, do we ever make my mother tell me, what do we there? Eh? Is that it? See, we tell her every time we call, do it there. Do it cover. If it's too age, alright, come. If it later come, I don't want mommy talk me. If it, I'm gonna take this drink, yeah? Alright, create this later. On a bar. You know if I want me telling a bar? How will mash up themselves? Alright, listen, I have things to do. I'm gonna take care. Bye now.